Pino. You're a Sikh bastard.
I want to get back to Christmas. Okay, Jose, how do you celebrate the holidays?
We wake up in the morning, and then they take a nap.
Jose, what do you want for Christmas?
I think he needs a bigger stick. That's not what your mother said.